Voidable transactions in bankruptcy are transactions made before a person becomes bankrupt that a bankruptcy trustee can reverse to bring assets back into the bankrupt's estate and ensure fair treatment of all creditors. In Australian bankruptcy law, the Bankruptcy Act allows a trustee to void certain transactions on the basis that they have unfairly reduced the assets available to creditors or favour certain parties. These include undervalued transactions where a property is transferred for less than the market value within the statutory relate-back period, transfers to defeat creditors where assets are moved with the main purpose of preventing them from being available to creditors, in transactions in which consideration is given to a third party where the benefit of the transfer is routed through another person, and preference payments where one creditor is paid in priority over others shortly before bankruptcy. In each case, the trustee must identify the transaction, the party involved, when it occurred and whether it falls within the relevant legislative timeframes, and the transaction must not be protected property under the Bankruptcy Act for it to be voided. Successful voiding, sometimes referred to as clawback, means the transferred property and its value is returned to the bankrupt estate to be distributed among creditors. There are defences available, such as showing that genuine market value consideration was provided, that the transfer was made in good faith, or that it occurred outside the statutory period, which may prevent a transaction from being voided. Understanding voidable transactions helps both directors and creditors identify and manage risks associated with transfers made prior to the bankruptcy. Contact us today for a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experienced team of bankruptcy professionals and let us help you protect your rights.